Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The Dyson V7 is a few years old but continues to be a popular choice. How does it compare to the more recent Dyson V11? Let's go ahead and find out now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to keep up with the latest product reviews every week. Dyson's V-Series vacuums are versatile cordless vacuums that can convert from stick to handheld mode. The V7 was released in 2017 and is available in most countries in absolute, animal, and motorhead versions. The V11 debuted in 2019 with torque drive and animal versions, with the outsized version arriving in 2020. The models we'll mostly have on camera today are the V7 motorhead and V11 torque drive. Let's start by comparing the design of the V7 and V11. The first difference you'll notice is the motor configuration. The V7 dustbin intersects with the wand in a T-shape, while the V11 is arranged in line with the wand. This allows for a larger dustbin on the V11. It can hold up to 0.76 liters, while the V7's capacity is 0.4 liters. As for the size and weight, the V7 and V11 are fairly similar. The V7 is slightly smaller and lighter, weighing 5.45 pounds versus the V11's 6.68 pounds. The V11 outsize version is larger and heavier, with a wider cleaning head and greater dustbin capacity. The cleaner head on the V7 motorhead is the direct drive cleaner head. The V7 Absolute includes the soft roller head as well, which is useful for hardwood floors. The V11 includes the high torque cleaner head. Most countries only offer the V11 with the high torque cleaner head. However, there is a V11 Absolute with both soft and multi-surface cleaning heads available in a limited number of countries. Both the V7 and V11 use the quick release system to change attachment tools. Speaking of attachments, both the V7 and V11 include a number of helpful tools. All versions of each model include a docking station and charger, as well as a combination tool and crevice tool. The V7 Absolute also includes the soft roller cleaning head, mini motorized tool, and mini soft dusting brush. The V11 torque drive includes all those accessories plus a stubborn dirt brush. The V11 Animal has the same accessories except for the soft dusting brush. The V11 Outsize includes the same items plus an extra click-in battery and an additional charger. Check the links in the description if you're interested in purchasing either the Dyson V7 or V11. At Modern Castle, we test each vacuum on 3 different floor types and against 4 different debris types. The Dyson V7 and V11 both performed extremely well on our cleaning tests, with an overall score of 99% for the V7 and 99% for the V11. On hardwood floors, when we used the soft roller cleaning head on the V7, it scored a 99%. Without the soft roller cleaning head, the V7 struggled on hardwood floors and was only able to remove 67% of debris on hardwoods, which gives it an overall score of 89%. The V11 scored a 99% on hardwood floors using its high torque cleaner head. On low pile carpets, both the V7 and V11 removed all debris, scoring 100% for each on low carpets. High pile carpets were similar result, with 100% scores from both the V7 and V11. During our test, we did note some specific difficulties with the V7 on our extremely low pile carpet rug. The V7 didn't seem to have enough power to keep the brush roll spinning while cleaning the rug. It's unclear exactly why this is the case, but it's definitely not something that we saw on the V11, which easily maintained power on all cleaning modes while cleaning the rug. The V7's battery runtime is up to 30 minutes, while the V11 can run for twice that, up to 60 minutes. The V7 has 2 cleaning modes, Auto and Max. Running in Max mode will limit the battery runtime. The V11 has 3 cleaning modes, Eco, Auto, and Max. These can be selected on the digital screen. Again, battery runtime changes based on cleaning mode. The V11 also features intelligent suction, so it can detect the floor type and change power mode automatically. The digital screen on the V11 helps users keep track of remaining battery runtime and power modes. Both models have great maneuverability, with a tight turning radius and the ability to lay flat to reach under furniture. As we mentioned before, the quick release feature makes it easy to switch attachments to use the V7 and V11 as a handheld vacuum. Emptying debris on the V7 and V11 is slightly different due to differences in the dustbin arrangement. The V7 empties from the bottom, while the V11 empties from the front. Both methods make it easy to empty the dustbin. Both models have a washable filter that can be easily removed and cleaned. One difference is that the V7's battery life is estimated to be 2 to 5 years, while the V11's battery is quoted to last up to 15 years according to Dyson CEO. So, which vacuum should you pick, Dyson V7 or V11? Considering the price, the V7 is significantly less expensive, but still has strong cleaning performance. The major benefits of the V11 are longer battery runtime, more suction power, and advanced technology like the digital screen and intelligent suction. I recommend the Dyson V7 if you want a great value for the money. Although it's missing some of the bells and whistles, the V7 still has fantastic cleaning scores at a much lower price than the V11. Even if you end up needing to buy an extra soft roller cleaning head, it's still a good value. I recommend the Dyson V11 if you want the best cordless vacuum on the market. After testing over 100 different vacuums, the V11 continues to be our favorite choice. It has incredible suction at 185 air watts on max mode. In addition, the intelligent suction and display screen make it easy and convenient to use. The 1 hour runtime is twice that of the V7 and gives you plenty of time to cover the whole house. Either of these vacuums will make a great choice depending on your needs and budget. So check them both out and pick the one that's best for you. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying either the V7 or V11, we've got links in the description. If you'd like to see more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching. Emptying debris on both the V7 and V11 is slightly different